In the most critical moments, precision is everything. Introducing the BATT EOD, engineered for explosive ordnance handling and high-risk tactical operations. Built with ballistic protection up to B6 level, delivering uncompromised safety in hostile environments. Integrated ramps enable the transport and deployment of robotic systems, supporting safer and more controlled operations. Enhanced mobility meets control, with reinforced suspension and mission-ready drivetrain for all-terrain performance. Powered by a 6.7-liter V8 turbocharged engine, delivering strength, reliability, and operational confidence. Built for precision, engineered for protection. BATT EOD. Next-generation protection for explosive response and mission-critical operation.